In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Bet365 Mastercard online. To activate your Bet365 Mastercard, first you'll need to log into your account. Go ahead and open up a preferred web browser to get started. After you open up a preferred web browser, go to the URL box and type in www.bet365.com and search. Once you end up on the official site of Bet365, go ahead and log into your existing account by clicking the login button at the top right hand corner. If you don't have an account yet with Bet365, you'll need to create a new account. So click on the join button at the top right in yellow and get access to your account. To log into an existing account, click on login at the top right and enter your username followed by your password. After entering your credentials correct, click the login button and log into your Bet365 account first. Now, select Bank from the Account menu and select the Bet365 Mastercard tab and follow the instructions in order to activate your Mastercard. You'll need to type in the 6-digit security code found on the back of your card. Simply go ahead and enter the details correct. In order to access your online gambling winnings at any ATM or shop that accept Mastercard. In order to activate your Bet365 Mastercard online. That was how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.